Hello guys, in this video we will see SCP command with examples. SCP stands for Secure Copy Protocol. SCP is used to copy files between one Linux host to another Linux host. Syntax is man SCP. C. Synopsis copies files between hosts on a network. It uses SSH for data transfer. Uses the same authentication and provides the same security as SSH. SCP will ask for passwords or passphrases if they are needed for authentication. And the source and target may be specified as local path name or remote host with optional path in the form. Okay, this is the syntax. SCP, and these are the options: -s, -i, -s, -p, -port, -l means bandwidth limit. And then we have to provide source and target. These are the options. See, limit. Okay. See, -p, port cap, port number, -p, which means lowercase. It preserves modification time, access time, and modes from the original file. Okay. -r means it recursively copy entire directory, rescue to quit. Now we will see the examples. In simple SCP command is SCP source file name, then options, then the target path. In my current directory, I have these files. See, this white is the source and this is the target one. Let's verify the target IP. See, my target IP is 192, 168, 152 and 143. Now I am going to copy this employee text to this host. SCP-p, then file name. Here file name is employees.txt and target name. Here first we have to give target username. R2 schools. Here user is also same. You can give any of users from this target, and @ give the IP name 192, 168, 152, 143. Here you can give IP or name of the host. Then colon. Then we have to provide the path to copy this file. I want to copy this file. See, I want to copy that file to this location. Then enter that location. And press enter. Then provide the password of target user. See, it has copied 100% its size and speed, and this is the percentage of the copy, and this is the size of the file, and this is the speed of the file transfer, and this is the total elapsed time. Let's see this file is copied to target or not. ls-ltrh. See, that file has been copied successfully. Before there were no files. Okay. Now copy file from this path to this one. Let's create a file in remote host. Copy and paste some data here. Then press enter and Ctrl D to save and quit. Let's verify that file has been created or not. See, we have one more file. See, I'm going to copy this file from remote host to this local host. Use the same command scp-p, and here we have to provide remote host file name with username and IP. file is there in remote host backups directory, then file name is this one, and we have to provide local directory to copy the file, home R2 schools. See, we can give command from remote host as well, but I am getting the file from my local host. See, scp-p until this is the source path and this is my target, that is local host path. Then press enter, then provide the password. See, it is success. Let's verify. See, from remote host.txt file. Before it was not there. See, there is no file with from remote host.txt file. Third example, we are going to see how to copy multiple files from local host to remote host by using Linux scp command. Clear screen. Now I am going to copy this file and this file. So both files I am going to copy from this local host to this remote host. scp-p all users on mysql.txt and training.txt. Just give space, provide the list of the files. Then provide the target, username and hostname or IP. Then provide the target host directory path. See why it is refused, because here we have given 169 but it should be 198. Let's modify. See, now the error gone and it's asking us password of the target host. See, successfully we have copied these files to target host. Let's verify. See, before only these two files were there. After copying, two more files added, all users and training.sql. Okay. Now fourth example is, now we are going to clear screen here. Here also clear screen. Now we are going to copy entire the scripts directory to this target host. scp-r. R means recursive, which means it will copy entire directory, scripts and target, username and IP address, then target directory. Then provide this target directory. Let's see, before executing, let's see list of the directories. See, we don't have any scripts directory here. Press enter. Then provide the password of target host. See, it copied all these files. Let's verify. Let's see, this is successful or not. ls. See, before scripts directory was not there. Now verify the list of the contents of scripts directory. See, all the files of this directory are copied successfully. Okay. Now next example is copy files with faster mode by using -C. Let's remove this scripts directory. Just use the -r with capital -C. This will be faster compared to previous one. Here in my case it will take less time because the size of the directory is small. For in production or in dev or in UAT or QA servers, sizes are more. So in that case, if you want to copy faster, then we have to use -C. Press enter. Then provide the password. See, the file has been copied. Next example is, we can use the bandwidth limit. by using -L. Simply give the -L, then provide the number of kilobytes. Here I am limiting my bandwidth for this process up to 400 kilobytes. Then press enter. Then provide the password. See, it is success. We can also copy same file to multiple remote hosts by using one target, scp-c, scp-r means recursive. This is for entire directory. Just give the another target host details. Just paste it here. That's it. We have to give the edit. In the same way, if you want to copy a single file to multiple hosts, just copy the another target source information, another target remote host path and press enter. Okay. See, now we have too many .txt files. Suppose if I want to copy all txt files to target directory, then use the first created directory, make txt files, make dir txt files. Now I am going to copy all txt files from this localhost to this target directory. scp-p star txt and target username and host IP or host name. Then provide the path of the target directory and press enter. Then provide the password of target directory, target host name. It copied all these txt files to this txt files directory. Let's verify. See, files are successfully copied to this directory. So in this video we have seen Linux scp command with examples. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.